Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Hadin babon ni kijilla hakari India kilamat ye kejing bat kordo hakabayadai bat kala air ring Mynsiem ne ka oxygen. Hadin kejinglen shop jong ka Khlam jing pang COVID khat khandai hakasin ka baar ka babo ru ye ka tanat ka kot ka khia hapadeng kejing ka bakraw bat kejing do ye ki Mynsiem breu. Myntri Rangbah jong ka sarkar jilla Konrad Kongkel Sangma haka arpuhun reu terik ubnaya yong arajar arpuwei. Ulalaj ban Jurip hi dalade ye ka Jaka Pynmih Tyndong le air ring Mynsiem jom ka wei ka company yang ka balatip kum ka bernihat Oxygen Private Limited ka badan ha bernihat kum ka jing Pynkhreh ye ka jingwan lin shop jom ka Khlam jing pang COVID khat khandai hapo ka jilla. Hakate ka jingle Jurip le don rengkat UMLA jom ka jirang constituency uba sustenance sotun nang tadi ka Deputy Commissioner jom ka Ribhoy District ka kong RM Kurba bat ki he officer jom ka sarkar jilla. Haba keren kilat pathai khubor hadin ke jinglet Jurip na kaliang jong Myntri Rangbah ka jilla ulaong baka thong jong kani ke jinglet Jurip kalong ban penthikna baka jilla kalalong ka ba Pynkhreh ban penbiang ye ki Tyndong le ring Mynsiem hadin ke jingwan len shop biang jong ka Khlam jing pang COVID khat khandai ha ka jilla ha ka sin ka baar.
Once it happens then you see a free movement then you can aramse go in and out, you know, so it's good and it's I mean all the evidence we're getting is working very good. It's a company that is manufacturing and manufacturing oxygen, and therefore, as the COVID situation is seeing in the country today, we are very fortunate that this particular manufacturing unit is in our state, and our objective is really to make sure that if the need arises and if there is a situation in the future where other states are facing, we should be better prepared. And the idea is to coordinate with the management out here for any kind of supply that's required in case, as I said, the situation arises. Hopefully, we will not have to face a situation like that, which we're seeing in the rest of the country, but one cannot say. So we need to be prepared from all fronts. So I've come here to visit the manufacturing unit to make sure that there are no difficulties, challenges they're facing. Also to ensure that there's a coordination between the management here and our health department and our district administration for any kind of logistical support and also for future logistical supply to different parts of the state if necessary. So that was the objective, the purpose of our visit. I'm very happy to see the setup here and very happy to see the management. They are very much committed and they have given us an assurance that the state and the health will be given priority in any circumstance.